Instead of antenna, imagine detecting radio signals with a handful of atoms. That is essentially what DRDO is trying to build. Now, Rydberg atoms have electrons pushed to a very, very high energy state, making them extremely sensitive to electric fields. These are sensitive enough to detect signals from VHF up to terahertz band. Now, I'll be getting to this detail in just a short while from now, but first, ladies and gentlemen, here's something you don't want to miss. Cypher 2026 is back and it's bigger and better than ever before. Join us this October at KTPO Bengaluru for the 10th edition of India's largest AI summit. We have a power-packed lineup of speakers, and this is a stage you don't want to miss. So we'll see you all there. That being said, here's the story. Now, the DRDO's prototype uses electromagnetically induced transparency, reading RF fields optically via laser rather than a conventional receiver circuit, and is headed toward integration and testing. The payoff is sovereign capability of signals intelligence, electronic warfare receivers, secure comms, and eventually deployment on airborne early warning platforms without relying on foreign tech. Now, DRDO isn't building this alone. Quantum startup Qbeats has secured 2 multi-crore tenders from DRDO's research center, Imarat. This covers both the Rydberg RF sensor and a separate quantum gyroscope aimed at fast-tracking lab research into deployable military hardware. India is one of just 3 countries working on this very critical rated capability, but its own status is listed as only emerging since 2026. Of 7 foundational technologies this sensor depends on, India is producing its own tech in just 2, which are signal processing and vacuum systems. It happens while precision lasers, ultra-cold atom tech, quantum control systems, atomic vapor cells, and broader quantum information science expertise all remain emerging with 5 flagged gaps. The research base extends beyond DRDO 2. IIT Delhi researchers have a Rydberg quantum radar paper accepted at IEEE APSCON 2026, showing better signal-to-noise and velocity accuracy than conventional radar in simulation. Here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the front page take on the story. Being one of the 3 countries on this sounds like a bigger lead than it is. India is early to a hard problem, but it's not close to solving it yet. 5 of the 7 building blocks this sensor needs are themselves still unproven at home. And it is to be noted that it is normal for frontier quantum tech, not a red flag really. So essentially it means that this is the start for a long capability building effort, not a near-term deployment story yet. So let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.